What up, peeps? It's Kyle.
It's Ryan.
With K&R.
Out of practice.
K&R Destinations, and these two maniacs.
The
The boys, the Olathe boys.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
So anyways, we are out here at Olathe Ford RV.
We just looked at this house.
And we just took a gander. We're gonna look at the Bighorn
We already did.
Traveler.
We already did.
But we gotta let the people know. They don't know we looked at it. Hold on a second.
I'll do it. Let me do it.
We're gonna do a quick walk around on the outside because these two maniacs really want to show you guys the inside. It is pretty much off the charts. But you got Bluetooth speakers on the outside.
What? Where?
You got your propane tank, looks like a 30-gallon, which is always good. And then this pass-through. Holy moly.
Macaroni.
That pass-through is massive. Now you've got one slide. You'll walk down here. You've got two slides. Now wait till you see where this slide pops out and what's in there.
Hurry up.
But you got a little bit of outside kitchen. Little burner. Come back here, you got a whole separate area where your refrigerator and little storage is. Your ladder leads to the roof.
What?
Bighorn Traveler. You have a bathroom back here in the back, a bathroom access with a shower. So it's a full bath.
Wait. Want to go in there?
Come around the corner.
And then
You have another slide, and again, wait till you see what that slide goes to. Coming down the driver's side, another thing of storage, another slide, which is the front bedroom. Got your refrigerator and your water heater.
And then this again.
You got your water set up for all your tanks.
Here.
And then another, wait a minute, you gotta record your brother. You wanna see how big this pass-through actually is?
Stop. Yeah, I bet I could fit in there.
Come here.
And then this again.
You got your water set up for all your tanks. And then another, wait a minute, you gotta record your brother. You wanna see how big this pass-through actually is?
I'll go over here. Hi. I bet I could fit in there.
Come here.
You got your auto leveling system on the front here. Got your specs. Got your Roto Flex, fifth wheel, pivoting heads. All right, peeps. So after all that, one thing I did miss. All your hydraulic controls, your amp. Another storage down below here, which is probably a spot where you can put your generator. But everything you need's right in there. So let's go around here and go up inside and see what's cracking. Now it's got one of those windproof doors that holds itself. Moride step system. It has the weather guard. Got a canopy over here. So as you walk up inside, complete country feel.
Oh my goodness.
White cabinetry. Got your island here. Cabinets, drawers.
Okay, but one thing that we said we would look at,
Pantry.
there's still not a lot of counter space.
This is brand new, so I would guess it'd be 2 freezers and then your refrigerator. Counter space is still lacking a little bit considering that there's the stove.
Unless you use this.
We do not have a residential fridge.
How much do you think this is going for?
here. So you have a little tiny dinette there, but look at this. Across the dinette, you have your couches on one of the slides with more storage across the top. Obviously, all the windows have the blackout shades. And when you're sitting on the couch, TV right across. So each one of these have got little handles on them that sprout them out, and then you have a little bed. Almost every single one of them.
Well, it's not really beds. Yeah.
So, you remember the slide I was telling you about outside? This is what you walk into. You have storage. You have not one, but two,
But
three bunk beds
No, four.
and a couch that will fold out into a bed. So you actually can, you have 4 beds here. And then the ladder for the top bunk bed. So this can go up here like this, and it catches itself. And then here's the door to that bathroom I showed you outside.
I don't know.
Oh, it's even a bathtub. It's not just a shower, it's a bathtub. Here you have, I actually think that's a phone charger. Gotta double check, but you got your 2 windows there, you got your little TV. Now, other storage or washer and dryer hookup. Closet. And then the bed. Queen size, or is that a king? So we got 2 folding chairs here for the dinette downstairs. We like it because of the shelves on both sides, so it'll be able to hold our phones. It's got USB ports on both sides.
Hold the CPAP machine.
Another control, and the shelves will hold the CPAP machine. But this was the slide you saw outside.
I'm sweating in here.
1 air conditioner unit here. And then the other one right here in the main area. So yeah, this is actually a really nice one. I think the kids are digging it, mainly because of all the beds in the back. But yeah, we might have to look at this one. I know we'd be giving up the garage and the toy hauler part for the motorcycle, but you know, with us, sometimes when the price is right and you feel something's right, you just kind of roll with it. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I would definitely recommend the Bighorn Traveler 37 DB.
The Olathe the boys. You see, got a good kitchen. TV. This couch. And then we have a bathroom. That's cool. That's cool. That's this one.
So, 4-ride step system. It has the weather guard. So this is a Bighorn Traveler 37.
You already just said that.
So, cabinets.
That's weird.
Okay, but one thing that we said we don't look at,
Pantry.
there's still not a lot of counter space.
Counter space is still lacking a little bit, considering that there's the stove.
Talk a lot.
Unless you use this.
So much.
Wife's cabinetry.
I can go up.
Got your island here. So, remember the slide I was telling you about outside? This is what you walk into. You have storage. You have not one, but two,
But
three bunk beds,
No, four.
and a couch that will fold out into a bed. So you actually can, you have 4 beds here. And then the ladder for the top bunk bed.
Can I go? Can I go? Can I go?
So this can go like this, and it catches itself. And then here's the door to that bathroom I showed you outside.
I don't know.
Oh, it's even a bathtub. It's not just a shower, it's a bathtub.
I don't know about that toilet.
Toilet looking a little sketchy.
Sketchy, too sketchy.
But just to show you,
Oh, we're going up. That's it. That's what we're doing.
we're going up.
Wow.
You go up one more, you can get a better shot. It's here. It
Dang.
will help with the circulation.
I'll put my hand
You've also got vents.
That's
Back
so
here.
cool.
2 vents,
You like
or 1 vent up there with lights, a lighting system.
light? Like a light. What are you doing?
So we sit down on the toilet, and actually look how much room there is here. I actually think that Bill with an OTB might even be able to sit here without his knees hitting anything.
Hi.
Now standing in the shower, you got the skylight.
You got a handle.
I think anything over about 6'3". Little hangings for towels,
What?
little storage compartments for towels.
When you come in here, it's just so hot. It's so hot. Where you're at? Like,
Closet. We like it because of the shelves on both sides, so it'll be able to hold our phones. It's got USB ports on both sides. Another control, and the shelves will hold the CPAP machine. But this was the slide you saw outside.
I'm sweating in here.
Actually a really nice one. I think the kids are digging it, mainly because of all the beds in the back. But yeah, we might have to look at this one. I know we'd be giving up the garage and a $40 part for a motorcycle, but you know with us, sometimes when the price is right and you feel something's right, you just kind of roll with it. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I would definitely recommend the Bighorn Traveler 37D, 37 what?
$37,000.
The Bighorn Traveler 37DB. Nicer than